need to create the method called get mobile price. For this we need to return some string. It could be mobile price is 35,000, and we need to map with the URL @request mapping slash get price is the URL. This is the application we created. Now we need to go to the command prompt here, and we need to copy the path CLI app, Control C. We need to do G cd space here. Now we need to run this class file. The command could be spring space run and the Java file, enter. It's downloading all the dependencies for those things. It's downloading all the jars, and here the get price URL is mapped. Now we can hit with the browser this URL. http://localhost:8080/get price is the URL. Click here. See the magic. This show the output what we returned here. What exactly we returned here. Mobile price is 35,000. How the Spring provide a big trade tool here for the ease of developer. Here internally itself that will load and that will check what are all the dependencies required, and that will download automatically, and that will run our project. That itself will, at the runtime itself, that will download a Tomcat embedded server, and that will deploy our project into Tomcat server, and that will download all dependencies and all those things. This is the magic of Spring CLI command line interface. Thank you.